Well, spring is finally here, and that means it's time for the Capital City Public Market. And year after year, you might have noticed Treeworks. They're one of the people selling those wooden utensils. You've probably seen them. Well, I got the backstory on this thriving backyard business and how they transform local trees into usable art. Boise is known as the city of trees, and sometimes these trees, they need to be trimmed. Michael Goulder was only a teenager when he knew hanging out in trees was the job for him.
Some people came to our house and I saw them climbing the trees and working, and I was like, that's what I want to do.
So that's how Michael became an arborist, pruning and removing branches and trunks. That's Michael way up there. But what do you do with all those extra pieces, the leftover bits and branches? Burning them or throwing them out seemed like such a waste.
I was going through a lot of wood, you know, and I thought something should be done with this wood, you know, we should use it somehow.
So he tried his hand at making a wooden spoon.
It's because I needed a spoon.
And quickly realized just how many spoons he could make.
But something probably this big around as a tree, you get hundreds, 500. I have templates to trace them all out.
He went from selling a few spoons a week to selling so many, he was able to quit his job as a city arborist and go into business for himself.
Let me see if I can find a really cool.
Now, together with his wife Megan,
So this is also ash from the same tree.
they take wood and upcycle it, creating usable art for their company, Treeworks.
The logs have to be milled, so I mill all the logs into inch-thick pieces.
It's a dusty job, and it requires almost 20 individual steps from start to finish.
You may call me up and say, I have a tree, I need it removed. That's how I've gotten all my wood for 27 years of doing this.
If you call Treeworks to remove a tree, they'll know just by looking at the trunk if it's going to work.
I want it to be at least 4 feet long and bigger than this.
Wide, yeah. The wood needs years to dry out before any woodworking can begin.
Very cool.
And not cracked.
But if you're patient, an old tree from your yard could become your new favorite spoon.
I'll be able to make you something out of this.
In Boise, Kristen Scovira,
That is so smooth.
Yeah.
Idaho News 6.